Today we are diving deep into the past and looking at three different and unique big cats. It's important to note that Smilidon is not just one animal. Smilidon is a genus of saber-toothed cats that lived in the Americas, both North America and South America. The cats in this genus are known as, and I will post those scientific names into the video, because I am not about to mess that up. These cats lived through the Pleistocene. I will post the names again up here, and the early Holocene. Holocene. I will post them here. This is a period of time that started about 2.5 million years ago to about 10,000 years ago. They are said to have gone extinct around 14,000 years ago. They are known for having knife-like canines, which in S. popliter, again, I will post the scientific names in the description, that the canines measured about 11 inches. And we are talking about these teeth right here. The canines were perfect for slicing through soft flesh. These canines were fragile and could break if they hit bone. They killed by making a bite on the underside of the neck. Now, a broken canine, while it does pose a possibility of causing issues, was not something that would kill the cat. The cats could open their mouths at a 120-degree angle. Apart from hunting, these cats no doubt scavenged for meat. And if science is right, these cats lived in groups. And there are advantages to living in groups. Or the group, the pride, whatever you want to call it, cared for the young, cared for the elderly, and amongst the pride. Like our modern lions, these cats hunted in a pride, which means they could take prey that maybe as an individual they may not be able to take down. So what did these animals eat? Well, they fed on ground sloths, bears, horses, bison, young mammoths, and young mastodons. Now, when I say bears, I'm talking about the short-faced bear. Oh, and yes, Smilidon competed with early humans and may have fed on not human beings, but earlier forms of primate, like Australopithecus. Anyway, moving on. Smilidon, the largest of these cats, the S. popliter, is thought that this cat was about 4 times the size of a jaguar. They were more than 55 inches, which is about 4.5 feet at the shoulder, 8 feet long, and could weigh up to 1,000 pounds. Oh, and come on. And based on fossil evidence, we know that these cats could roar. All of them. This was the largest cat to have ever lived on the earth. And if you have seen an Amur tiger or a Siberian tiger at a zoo, imagine a cat bigger than the tiger that you saw at the zoo. These guys would have lived, all of them would have lived along the margins of forest and grasslands. These cats might have competed with bears, American lions, American cheetahs, and also dire wolves. Their extinction no doubt was linked to the decline of their prey species. I know I did not get to the other two species. I will do those at a later date because this video is already at 5 minutes. With that, I will talk to you peeps later.